Hey guys, hey everybody. Well, look at where we're at. Unbelievable view. And this guy goes all the way down right here. We just got here. We're looking for some micro spikes because we didn't think we were going to encounter ice. Oh my God, there's ice patches everywhere. We will be going down that way, and we'll be on tomorrow. And then we'll camp going down there into the Phantom Ranch area. Hey, good morning everyone. Well, today is December 20th, and it's Caterpillar's birthday today, so we're gonna celebrate it by hiking down into the Grand Canyon. We wish her a happy birthday, but this is the bus that takes us down to the trailhead, the Kaibab trail, and we're getting ready to get to the trailhead, hike down for 7 miles into the canyon. We will talk to you later. Hey guys, as I was just mentioning, today is Caterpillar's birthday, and like I said, she has the Grand Canyon as her gift. And we're about to start hiking down the trail. The trail's back down that way. Well, we're finally on the trail. There's Caterpillar in front of me, and to our left here is this beautiful red wall of the Grand Canyon. The trail just kind of zigzags and switchbacks all the way through here. We're going to be turned around and we're going to go down this way. We got a beautiful day for this hike. It's going to go close to 60, probably going to get around 58 or 59. So we are blessed with beautiful weather, no clouds, not a cloud in the sky. And then overnight we're going to be in the mid to lower 30s from reports that we saw. It's looking good. We're feeling good. And man, look at that view. Amazing. That's the North Rim on the other side over there.
Hello everyone. We are here at the Grand Canyon, December 20th, which is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. And we are coming down the Bright Angel Trail. Sorry, one of those. And Rich is coming down. This is just amazing. Amazing. This is one of the 8 wonders of the world, which is the Grand Canyon in Arizona. And just videotaping Rich coming down, and look at this amazing view. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So I'm going to videotape for a little bit. This is just too amazing not to capture. Just watching my step because I don't want to fall over the cliff. So I'm going to stop here and just take a video of Rich going down. Look at this. This is so amazing. We're going to be camping down at the bottom of the canyon just for the night. We had to get some permits, so we were lucky to get it because they're supposed to have like a year in advance, but we were lucky to get it today, so we were blessed for my birthday weekend. And we're just going down. There he goes. Look at that. Isn't that just so amazing? Look at that trail. Oh my gosh. Holy moly's. I'm just gonna start heading down and following him. This going down is gonna be kind of easy because it's all downhill. There's some switchbacks. So luckily we haven't run into any ice patches, but look at, there's snow here. Amazing. And there's Rich coming down. Wave, Rich. Wow. That is so amazing. Well, I'm going to check out now because I got to watch what I'm doing or I'm going to fall. But we'll be taking more videos, okay? Bye.
I don't know if you guys can make it out, those other hikers that are in front of us. They're way over there. You can see them walking through now, behind that big rock. There they are. Meanwhile, I'm looking down this canyon. It's like at least 1,000 feet. It's 1,000, more than 1,000 feet. Look at this wall over here. Oh. Taking this video of these hikers. They're way down there.
See if I can catch up to it.
And there's some more coming right behind them. We're way above them. There's caterpillar. There's a caterpillar and a spider in the canyon. We are about a mile in on the hike, on a 7-mile, about a 7-mile hike down into the canyon, into a place called the Phantom Ranch. And the Phantom Ranch is where they have some dormitories and some lodges, but there's a waiting list for at least a few months for those lodges and the dorms. But we did this in the spur of a moment. Caterpillar finally made it to the bottom. There she is. Hey guys, just wanted you to see what the trail looks like. And this trail is called the Kaibab Trail. It's not the Bright Angel Trail. The Bright Angel Trail is on the other side. It's actually, hold on honey. So Caterpillar just went around this switchback real nice. And okay. And you can see she's already about maybe 15 feet, almost 20 feet below me. That's how fast we're going down with these switchbacks. Yeah, the temperatures aren't bad.
Good, actually.
They're really nice, and we're kind of like overprotected with the cold, but I'm not cold, I'm not hot. Anyway, the switchback goes down that way, and the trail goes all the way down. I don't know if you can see those other hikers way down there. And we've got more hikers coming down. So it's a busy trail. This is the Kaibab Trail. When you get down to the bottom, there's a Phantom Ranch, and then from the Phantom Ranch to come back up, well, the way we're going to do it, because you could come back up this trail, but what we're going to do is we're going to come back through another trail called the Bright Angel Trail, and that goes back this way on the other side of that ridge, and it comes up that way. It's real nice. It's supposed to be a little bit better than this one, but this one is like really nice. They put a lot of effort into maintaining this trail. Again, it's the Kaibab Trail. That's an Indian word. I don't know what it means. Anyway, we are 1.5 miles into the trail.
That's it.
They have a place here where you can tie up your horse if you're on a horse or a mule. right over here. Pretty nice rest stop. I'm gonna set my pack down over here somewhere and get a snack. Frequent breaks, frequent snacks, frequent water. That's the strategy for long distance hiking. Alright, this is a good spot. Right next to this tree. I'll stop for now and pick it up later. That's the trail down there. You can see it's right here. And it goes all the way down. You can see those folks. There's a couple of guys running the trail. You'll see them come around that tree down there. There you go. They're running down the trail. And the trail goes from where they're at, right there, all the way around. And if you follow it, it's back over there, and it comes down this way. You can see it zigzagging over there. Matter of fact, you can see some hikers way over there. The trails is just a bunch of stairs, trail stairs. Because you drop elevation so quickly, drop altitude so quickly. We're going right down there. You can see some people way over there. They're coming up, some are going down. Anyway, continuing. So the camera's going to be a little bouncy because I'm walking down these stairs. Caterpillar coming down. We were way up there, right up at the ridge. We came around that ridge right there, and we've been hiking all the way down.
He's got a muzzle. He must be very, very nice. This is Joey. Joey!
Donk.
Donkey Donk!
Donkey!
Donk.
Donkey! Oh, this guy bites, huh?
No, it's a grazing muzzle, so they don't eat.
Oh, okay. Yes, sports fans, there are mules on the trail. Well, we're still on our way down. We're just over 3 miles into the trail, but I don't know if you could see it, but I pointed out that little spike right there. We came around that. We actually walked around that spike when we were way up there, and we were on the other side of that butte. And then we went around this guy and then came back down this way. So we're about 3 miles or 3.2 miles in, and the views have just been spectacular. We've been having to stop every 100 feet or so to take another picture because it's just beautiful all the way around. But this is the way they keep their trail. It's very well maintained, and you You probably saw that mule train. Those were mules taking those people up the trail. They got a mule ranch down at the bottom, and another mule ranch up at the top, and then a horse ranch. But the trails are so maintained here. They're better than the PCT actually. They got nice steps to them. And then if you don't want to walk all those stairs right there, you got a side trail that you can walk, so it's much smoother and easier on the knees. That's what I'm doing. But you can see the time they took to fix this trail. It's real nice. Of course, they probably get more funding here than they do at the PCT. And they don't have as much trail to maintain, though, as the PCT, so they can concentrate their monies on the trail quite a bit.
This is a nice little campground.
Right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got a lot of areas where you could set up a real nice tent site. Okay, here we go with the stairs. And they got a little horse stop over here at the bottom of this ledge. Yeah. Yeah, the mule waste that they poop on the trail, they're dropping seeds everywhere, so that grass is growing everywhere. Hope it doesn't grow on the bottom of my foot. Anyhow, this is called Skeleton Point, and it's a place where you would tie up your horses, your mules, and nice overlook. The trail continues over here, down that way. What a canyon.
It's my birthday.
Yeah.
My birthday.
Happy birthday, honey.
Celebrated on the Grand Canyon, which was one of the things I wanted to do. And I was blessed to be able to come down here.
Yeah, happy birthday. You got the Grand Canyon for your birthday presents.
The cake is waiting for me.
We're going to have some cake at the bottom. Even if it's a Hostess Twinkie or something like that. We'll celebrate. Who else gets a Grand Canyon for their birthday? Four miles. 1.8? 3.8 to go, okay. Hey, another mule train. All their bags are empty. They dropped off all their supplies. All their bags are empty. You guys dropped off all the supplies? Nice. Oh, we are at about 4.8 miles into the trail. We're on the other side of the butte, so we're not getting the sun. It's blocking the sun from us, so it's nice and shady over here, but For a little while it was getting warm, and but as we get closer and closer to the bottom, that's pretty much the desert down there, and it's going to get really warm down there. So we got about 2.3 miles, maybe 2.4 to go. And then we'll be at the bottom. We'll set up our tents, have some dinner, and just chill. Take some pictures. Celebrate Caterpillar's birthday. Speaking of Caterpillar, here she is. You made it, honey.
This is so beautiful. Unbelievable.
I know. We are about 5.2 miles. And we still have to go down all that. I don't know if you could make out the trail, but it's right there. And there's a hiker right around there in a white shirt. We're going down there. You could hear the river, and you can actually see it right here. That's the river. And I mean, look at those sheer cliffs there. That's crazy. 6.5 miles. My legs are trembling. It's been a little strenuous coming down this last half mile. All right, guys, I am at 7 miles into the trail. We're just about at the bottom of the canyon. That's the Colorado River right there that flows through the Grand Canyon. You can see there's a beach down there with some backpackers just chilling out there. And it's still, from there, there's still about a 0.3 miles to go to the campsite. So they're just taking a break there. But over here, you can see that there's a bridge over here. That's the Gray Bridge. That comes from another trail called the Bright Angel Trail. The Bright Angel Trail comes from a little bit further west from where we were at. And then this is the bridge that we're going to climb over. And it's called the Black Bridge. Oh my God, still further down. So much more to go. Anyway, I'll end it here and pick it up later. Well, I made it down to the bridge elevation. I'm not at the bridge yet. I got to go through this tunnel. But I am at 7.22 miles. All right, guys, I'm going to go across the bridge. Caterpillar caught up to me. She's just a little bit ahead of me, but I wanted to record going through this tunnel that they built to get to the bridge. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Hang in there, right?
Exactly.
Thanks.
Nirvana.
Honey, you're on the bridge. You're on the bridge. Doing the bridge dance. Well, hey guys, we finally made it down. We're at the canyon bottom. 7.25 miles all the way down, and a lot of it was very steep. My knees are like complaining. But we're almost there. We got 0.2 miles to go to the campsite. We'll set up our tent, get dinner going. There's a log cabin over there. Looks like a log cabin. It's actually made of brick. Okay, I'll pick it up later. So honey, we're camping at the Grand Canyon on your birthday. How do you feel?
I feel great. A little tired though.
Tired?
Yeah, coming down the mountain was very steep. A lot of water steps, they call them.
Yeah, look at this. We're right next to a creek. Beautiful flowing creek. It's ice water. It was a difficult descent. But look at the view that we have that we're camping under. Several campers are all around here. That's a bridge right there that we cross over to get to like a restaurant and restrooms. More tents that way. And across the river here, they have a little horse ranch. Actually mules.